And welcome friends in my new video where we are going to solve the questions of goodwill from question number 19 to question number 24. Question number 19. Mahesh and Suresh are partners and they admit Naresh into partnership. They agreed to value goodwill at 3 years purchase on weighted average profit, taking profit for the last 5 years. They assigned weight from 1 to 5 beginning from the earliest year and onwards. The profit for last 5 years were as follows. 5-year profits are given. Scrutiny of books of account revealed the following. The second-hand machine was purchased for 5 lakh on 1st July 2017 and rupees 1 lakh were spent to make it operational. Rupees 1 lakh were wrongly debited to repairs account. We are going to capitalize it, and on that we are going to charge depreciation at the rate 20% per annum on return down value method. Second one is closing stock as on 31st March 2018 was undervalued by 50,000. Remuneration to partners was to be considered as charge on profit, and remuneration of 20,000 per annum for each partner was considered appropriate. Calculate the value of goodwill. Let us start. Question number 19. First we are going to find out net profit. Calculation of net profits. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. Will give us 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019 profits. The profits are given 1,25,000, 1,40,000, 1,20,000, 55,000 and 2,57,000. Okay. Now it is said that we have to capitalize rupees 1 lakh because it is wrongly debited in repairs account. So rectification of we are going to add it. Rectification of revenue expenditure. Okay. So we are going to rectify it. We are going to capitalize that amount rupees 1 lakh. Rupees 1 lakh will be added. Okay. Now we are going to charge depreciation. Okay. So 1 lakh into the rate is given 20% into from 1st July to 31st March 9 months. So it will be 3 4 2 5,000 15,000. Okay, so we are going to deduct less depreciation. And depreciation is 15,000. Okay. Now, after deducting 15,000 from 1 lakh, it will be 85,000. On that, we are going to charge 20%, and it will be 17,000. Okay. Now, it is said closing stock was undervalued in the year 31st March 2018. So, when closing stock is undervalued, our net profit is reduced by that. We are going to rectify it. And rectification of closing stock undervalued. Okay, so we are going to add 50,000 in 2018 So that's rectification of opening stock underline. It will be deducted 50,000 because in this year profit increases. Okay. Let us close. The net profits are here it will be 1 lakh 25, here it will be 1 lakh 40, here it will be 1 lakh 20, then here it is 40, 1 lakh 90, and here it is 140, 190. Same. Okay. Now we are going to have product table in years profit weight product. 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018 and 2020. It was 1 lakh 25, 1 lakh 40, 1 lakh 20, 55, 2 lakh 57. Okay, so the weights are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Sorry, it is 1 lakh 90, 1 lakh 90. 4, 5. It will be 1 lakh 25. It will be 1 lakh 40, 2 lakh 80. It will be 3 lakh 60. Then it will be 7 lakh 60. Or it will be 9 lakh 8, 9 lakh 50. Okay, so total will be 10, 20, 22, 23, 23, 24, 20. Okay, now the formula is weighted average profit equals to total product upon total weight the amount is 24 lakh 75 upon 15. 15 into 15, 9, 10, 15, 6, 97, 5 plus 7, 65. Okay, actual weighted average profit. We are going to deduct the partners' remuneration here. There are two partners. There are two partners. 20,000 each it is given. So we are going to deduct 40,000. It is going to be like 25. Okay. Now we are going to find out the firm's goodwill. Firm's goodwill equals to actual weighted average profit into number of years purchase So it will be 1,25,000 into the number of purchase years purchase given free. So it is 3,75,000. This is the end of question number 19. Now we move to question number 20. Now question number 20. Calculate the goodwill of the firm on the basis of 3 years purchase of the weighted average profit of last 4 years. The appropriate weight to be used and profits are given and weight are also given 1, 2, 3, 4. On the scrutiny of the account, the following matters are revealed. On 1st December 2017, a major repair was made in respect of the plant incurred 30,000, which was charged to revenue. We are going to rectify it. The same sum is agreed to be capitalized for goodwill. Calculate subject to adjustment of depreciation of 10% per annum on reducing balance method. Second, the closing stock for the year 16-17 was overvalued by 12,000. Third, to cover management costs, an annual charge of 24,000 should be made for the purpose of goodwill valuation. Fourth, on 1st April 16, a machine having a book value of 10,000 was sold for 11,000, but the proceeds were wrongly credited to profit and loss account. No effect has been given to rectify the same. Depreciation is charged on machinery at rate 10% per annum on reducing balance method. As there is no effect has been given, that means depreciation has been charged to all the years. Okay, so let us start question number 20. First, we are going to calculate the net profits. Calculation of net profit. Okay. There are 4 years. Particular. The years are 2015-16, 2016-17, 2017-18, and 2018-19. Okay. The profits are 1,01,000, 1,24,000. 1 lakh and 1,40,000. Okay. Now let us start the adjustment. First, we are going to add rectification of wrong posting, that is revenue expenditure. Okay. So we are going to rectify. It is in 1st December 2017, 1917, we are going to add here rupees 30,000. Okay, and on which we have to charge depreciation or annual 10% per annum. So less. You see, it is from 1st December 2014. That means for 4 months. So 30,000. Into the rate given is 10%. 10%. Now we are going to calculate for 4 months, and it will be 1,000. Okay, so 1,000 is the depreciation. For next year, 1,000 will be deducted, it will be 2,900, 10% directly. So I want to take directly 2,900 as a depreciation. The second thing is closing stock was overvalued by 12,000 in the year which it was overvalued, that is 16-17. It is going to affect the increasing profit, but due to that overvalued profit was increased, we are going to reduce it to make it proper. Okay, so let us deduct losing stock overvalued. We are going to rectify it. It is in year 1670, so we are going to deduct the closing stock by 12,000. Okay, that means next year's opening stock is also overvalued, and in that year profit will be reduced. So to rectify it, we are going to add it here 12,000. Okay. Now next is managerial cost that we are going to deduct after calculation of weighted average profit. Okay. Next it is given a machine having the book value 10,000 was sold for 11,000, but the profits were wrongly credited to profit and loss account. We have credited 11,000 in profit and loss, that is wrong. So we are going to rectify it. Less wrong process costing of machinery sold, that is 11,000 in the year 1st April 2016. 1st April 2016 will be here. So 11,000 we are going to reduce. Okay. Then it is said no effect has been given to rectify the same. We have rectified it. Now depreciation is to be charged on the machine 10% per charge at the rate 10% per annum of reducing value method. Already we have charged depreciation, that is wrong. As the machine has been sold, we are not supposed to charge depreciation. That's why we are going to add that depreciation again. Okay. Rectify. We are going to rectify the amount. On 10,000 it is said 10% per annum, so it will be 1,000 in the beginning. 10 minus 1, 9,000, that means it will be 900 here. 9,000 minus 900, it will be 8,100, so it will be 810 here. Okay. Is it okay? Because it is on reducing balance method. Okay. It is decreasing and we are going to use it to get the profit. It is 1 lakh 1. It is 112, 1 1 lakh 2. It is 129, 139, 141. 1 lakh 41,900. It is 138, 137, 910. Okay, 910. So it is over. Now we move to the calculation of weighted average profit. Let us prepare the table. Here, profit weight path. Years are 2015-16, 2016-17, 2017-18, 2018-19. Okay, the profits are 1 lakh 1, 1 lakh 2, 1 lakh 41,900, and 1 lakh 37,910. The weights are 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be 1 lakh 1, 0, 0, 27, 10, 3, 5, 4 lakh 25,700. It will be 40. 40 4,51,640. It is 10. Here it will be 340. 10. Weighted average profit equals to total product amount total weight it is 1282,340 upon 10, so it is 128234 234. Okay, now actual weighted average profit equals to, we are going to deduct 24,000, 28 to 34. Management cost we are going to reduce here, so it will be 1,04,234. Now we are going to calculate from 0 equals to actual weighted average profit into number of years purchased. Okay, so it is 1,04,234 into the number of years purchased is given 3. So 3 4s are 12, we will carry 3. Okay, then 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 3. So it is 3,12,702. This is the end of question number 20. Now we move to question number 21, which is question number 21. Average profit earned by a firm is 80,000, which include undervaluation of stock of rupees 8,000 as on average basis. The capital invested in the business is rupees 8 lakh. The normal rate of return is 8%. Calculate goodwill of the firm on the basis of 7 years, on the basis of 7 times the super profit. Let us start. Question number 21. And find out the actual average profit. Under valuation will be added of stock. So it will be 80,000 plus 8,000. 88,000. Okay. Now the capital employed has been given, so we are going to find out normal profit by the formula capital employed into normal rate of return upon 100. Capital employed is given 8 lakh and the rate is given 8%. So it is 64,000. Okay. Now we are going to find out the super profit. Super profit equals to average profit minus normal profit. The average profit is 88,000 and minus 64,000. 24,000 here. Then firm's goodwill by super profit method equals to super profit into number of times. Here 7 times given, so I am taking number of times. So 24,000 into 7. 7 for her 28 to carry 7 plus 49 to 16. This is the end of question number 21. Now we move to question number 22. Gupta and Bose had a firm in which they had invested rupees 50,000. On an average, the profit were 16,000. Okay. The normal rate of return in the industry is 15%. Goodwill is to be valued at 2 years purchase of profits in excess of profit of 15% on the money invested, that is capital employed. Calculate the value goodwill. 22. Average profit is given to us. So average profit is equals to, it is given 16,000. Okay. Normal profit. The formula for normal profit is capital employed into normal rate of return upon 100. Capital employed is given 50,000 and the normal rate of return is given 15%. So it will be 55 and 75. 7,500. Super profit equals to average profit minus normal profit. Okay. So average profit is 16,000. This is 7,500. It remains 8,500. Okay. Now we find out firm's goodwill. Firm's goodwill equals to super profit into, it is said, 4 years purchase. So number of years purchase. Okay. So 8,500 into 4. 8 4 for 32. 34,000. This is the end of question number 22. Now we move to question number 23. Question number 23. The total capital of the firm of Sakshi, Mahek and Mega is 1 lakh. The market value of investment is 15%. The net profit for the last 3 years were 30,000, 36,000, 42,000. Goodwill is to be valued at 2 years purchase of last 3 years super profit. Calculate the value of goodwill of the firm. Okay. So let us start. First we have to find out the average profit to calculate super profit. So average profit equals to sum of all the years profit upon number of years. The profits are given 30,000. 36,000 and 48,000. Upon 3 it is 1 lakh 8, 6, 10, 1 lakh 8 upon 3. So it will be 3,309, 3,680, 36,000. Second, normal profit. Normal profit equals to capital employed into normal rate of return upon 100. The capital is given 1 lakh and the normal rate of return is 15%. So that will be 15,000. Okay. Now, super profit equals to average profit minus normal profit. So it is 36,000 minus 15,000 equals to 21,000. Okay. Now firm's goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase. So firm's goodwill equals to super profit into number of years purchase equals to 21,000 into 2 equals to 42,000. Is it okay? This is the end of question number 23. Now we move to question number 24. Question number 24. Rakesh and Ashok earned a profit of 5,000. They employed capital of 25,000 in the firm. It is expected that normal rate of return is 15% on the capital. Calculate the amount of goodwill if goodwill is valued at 3 years purchase of super profit. Let us start. So the average profit is given, that is 5,000. Now we find out the normal profit. So normal profit equals to capital employed into normal rate of return upon 100 equals to 25,000 into 15%. So it is 3,750. Okay. Then we find out the support equals to average profit minus normal profit. 5,000 minus 3,750, it will be 1,250. Firm's goodwill equals to super profit into number of years purchase. Okay, so it is 1250 into 3 years purchase, it is given, so it will be 3,750. This is the end of question number 24 and our video also. If you have any problem related to answers, please comment and ask the things. Thank you for watching the video carefully. Please share it, like it and subscribe. Thank you.